Dear best friend Charmaine, thank you for staying and supporting me even in the hardest time, aming. Salamat sa pakikinig ng mga rants and chikas ko. Thank you for loving me and also thank you for supporting me. Thank you for being here through ups and downs. I love you and I just want to remind you na nandito ako palagi kapag kailangan mo na makikinig. At yayakapin ka sa mga panahong akala mong wala ka ng kakampi. I will always be your number one fan. Kakampi, enemy, and I'm ready na talikuran ng mundo kapag kailangan mo ako. Thank you for listening when my family mistreated me, when they mistreated me. Salamat kasi nandyan ka para yakapin at pakinggan ako. Mahal kita ng sobra. At gusto ko lang din ipaalala sa iyo na kamahal-mahal ka. At hindi mo kailangan humingi at mag-beg ng love kasi deserve mo ng lahat ng yon. Hindi kailangan hingiin pa yung mga bagay na yon. I know how fragile you are. And I know how stressed and tired you are. I just want to remind you na I'm so proud of you and you don't need to be strong all the time. Kasi okay lang mapagod at umiyak. Pero hindi okay na susuko. Don't let them to judge at sabihin kung sino ka. Dahil ikaw at si God ang lang nakakaalam kung gaano kakalakas, katapang at proud na proud ako sa'yo. Thank you for everything. My best buddy, my everything, my church buddy, safe place, and my everything. Loving, maganda mong best friend.